Hi. In this tutorial we will learn 2 ways to know the creation date of your YouTube channel. Number 1. Go to YouTube. Search for the channel with name. When it comes, click on More. Scroll down. And here you will find the joining date. Mine is June 17, 2017. Number 2. Come to Social Blade. Look for the channel with handle. When found, click on it. Here under Created On, the date of creation is written. Here also it's June 17, 2017. So, these are the 2 simple ways to know about your or others' YouTube channel creation date. Please be with us and see you in my next video tutorial. Goodbye.